In my Father's house of earthly mansion, if it were not true, He would have told me so. He has gone away to live in dark city. He's preparing me a mansion where I know Jesus died upon the cross to bear my sorrow. That's all they had to die. But I know that soon will come a bright tomorrow, when the world will all be free from sin and strife. Through the shine, the sail of love, all up in glory.